Today is December 10th, and I wanted to record the live session trading, but I was just in the flow of it and couldn't stop. And so basically for me, kick-ass day, over 2K in my live account with Blue Sky Trading, using GAN levels and simple market matrix. I only plug, simple market matrix just for fun. I don't really care if people click on the sub, and I don't even care if people are watching this. I'm doing this for me to help me on my journey because trading is freaking hard. And, I was doing really well with a prop firm a month ago. And they basically scammed me. So now I'm trading live funds with Blue Sky, building my account slowly up. And yeah, today, the last couple of days, just killing it. Yesterday was a $2,000 day. Today was almost 2,500. Basically, just I got in long here, took profit, got long here, took profit. I should have shorted, but didn't trust it. Long here, took profit. And I should have shorted here, of course. You can see target. That would have been a loser. Target hit. That would have been a good short, but target. And of course, I like to ride these the wave. It's just EMA bands, basically nothing fancy. Just gives you visual cue. And I do like the secondary, more of the. Again, this is 1 minute, which is nothing crazy, but this 1 second chart is kind of fun, just to get some scalps. Essentially, I have this scalper line, and so ideally, I like to only take longs when you're above it. That's one thing I'm playing with. You definitely wouldn't take these shorts because you're above the scalp. Um, but obviously, nothing's perfect in trading. But because you can look at this beautiful action when you're getting lots of confirmation that line up, but even still, on the bullish side, all this confirmation, great trades. All this, even above here, look at this, all bullish, all these oscillators, nothing magical. But if you're looking for confirmation, nice to get even this. Even though you're above the scalper, look at this nice, beautiful short. So, and then back long, it's getting a little choppy here. This time of day sucks, honestly, for the most part. And yeah, so for me, the 1 minute is pretty freaking awesome. Heikinashi really works well with simple market matrix. The candles, it's going to show, target hit, target hit, target hit, and target is likely getting, I think, it hit there, or very close, damn close to it. So yeah, I love Heikinashi, but I do wish it worked a little better on candles, but obviously you can see there it did pretty damn well. Um, and I added the squeeze here just as a, I don't know, I I like looking just for multiple confirmations on good entries, high probability trades, and God, this short was great. I wish I would have taken that in my live account, but I took my profit here, and I felt confident in just walking away with a green day. And looking forward to Wednesday. I love Wednesday too. I don't know if I don't really. I know people always have different days. Mondays I think are great. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Friday. I guess Friday afternoons I don't really love, but Friday mornings can be awesome as well. But basically, comes down to right, just living risk. And I know no one's hardly watching this, and I don't care. Again, this is my own little journey, and but always glad to help people and to receive help. Um, this is a freaking hard game, and you have to, takes a lot of time to figure it out. But it's nice to have some profitable days and end of the year. So good stuff. I will be back on tomorrow. Sweet trading day. Take care.